Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word insert chart. When to this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a chart in MS Word. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your MS Word. Once you're here, click on Insert. And you will find the charts right here. And then click on it to insert a chart. So, there's a lot of charts here you can choose. You can choose column, line, power by, area, scatter map, stock, surface, radar, tree map, sunburst, history box, square, waterfall, funnel, and there's a force combos. So right now, we're gonna choose pi. So to insert a chart, choose any of this. Let's try choose this because this one is the one I use mostly, and also this one I also mostly want to make it a little bit more professional. And this one I don't use this, but this one I use. So let's try to use this one too. Let's use that one. Just click OK. Then your what do you call this? Excel will open it up a like a category here, and as you can see there's what we call series and category for this one here. As you can see, here's the series and series 2 and series 3. So right now there's four categories. It's category 1, category 2, category 3, and category 4. As you can see here, series 1 is the first one here, the blue one. Series 2 is the orange, and series 3 is the green. So if I change something here, let's change this one to 3, then enter. As you can see, it lowers it down. For example, let's change this to 6, 8. It highes it up. And same with everything here, even category 2, this one, series 1, series 2, series 3, and series 1, series 2, series 3, and so on and so forth. And if you change something here, it also change there. There you go. Okay, series 4 to series 5, just make it 10. So there you go. So yeah, that's how you do it. Then click X. You can also do repaints or anything of those. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also only highlight which one do you want. For example, here, highlight that, or you can just remove it or maybe highlight it. So yeah, and a quick tip for you guys, you can also change its color. Change color to any of those color monochromes, brown, blues, greens. Change their colors, and so yeah, there you go. It's also the same with any charts here. How it works. For example, let's try pi, yeah, pi here. So as you can see, the first quarter is the blue one, the second quarter is the orange, third quarter is the green, and fourth quarter is the light blue. So as you can see here, once I change this, let's try to change it to 100. You see, there's a lot of blue because that's the first quarter, and it's the first quarter, and this is sales. So yeah, so there you go, guys. And so yeah, you can also add another quarter here just by dragging it. Try putting fifth and add a number here is 1. There you go. And you can add as many as you want. There you go. I added like 3. So we're gonna add another here. See? Another here. Another here. And I just add the numbers. And it just goes on and on and on. As many as you want, you can add as many as you want. It's your the possibilities are the many as you want. Just add it. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how the chart works in MS Word. And I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.